Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D model of bowl or a plastic container in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now select the 2D sketch and from here take XZ plane, rotate the axis. Now go to Circle command and we'll take center point circle, and from this midpoint make a dia 200 mm. Okay. Now on this circle make one more circle of dia 20. Escape. Select this circle and make it as a reference geometry or a construction geometry. Now you can see this circle is moving on this axis. To make the position constraint, go to vertical constraint, select this point and select center of circle. Okay. Now go to trim command, trim the bottom profile. Okay. Now go to circular pattern, select this circle and for axis select this as axis. Now here the count will be of 35 mm, 35, and the filling angle will be 360 degree. Switch on this and here associative is selected, so deselect this and OK. If associated is selected, we can't edit any of these sketches. Now go to trim. Now we will trim these extra profiles. Okay. Similarly, we will do for rest here and here as well. Only few are left. So okay, undo and okay. You have to trim in certain parameters, or you have to look if you do not delete the original sketch or the important sketch. Okay. Now only these two are left. Okay. Now this is the final profile. Finish sketch. Now we'll make a new plane. So go to plane, offset from plane, go to origin and we'll select the exit plane and we will offset downside. So take a distance of minus 50 mm and OK. Now select this new plane, go to create sketch. Here take a circle. From this midpoint make a circle of dia 100. Okay. Finish sketch. Now here go to loft. Select first sketch, select second sketch. Here you can see a taper profile is being made. To make the profile properly, go to condition, go to sketch 1 and here select direction condition. So it will make a curve profile here. Okay. Now okay. So this is the final profile. Now to make it a hollow profile, go to shell. Okay. Now it will ask you the plane or the face you want to remove. Select this top face and the thickness here will be 1 mm and OK. Okay. So this is the final profile. Now you can give it any color as you wish. From here I will take red, or you can take light. Okay. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a bowl profile in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos.